Alright, we are ready to put this bottom end on the KA24DE together. We have it all cleaned up right now. We have everything laid out right here. We have the ARP Ultra Torque Assembly Lube. We have the engine assembly lube. We have our ring compressor, fresh oil in a cup, and we have automatic transmission fluid right here to wipe down everything. And bearings are already installed on the rods and caps. Remember to orientate the bearing hole with the hole in the piston for the oiling hole. Remember to do that. Make sure they're lined up. So, cylinder's ready to have some pistons pushed in them. I'm going to go ahead and wipe a bunch of oil in each cylinder to lube it up properly so the pistons just slide right in, of course. I forgot to add, make sure you lube up your bearings with assembly lube before you start this whole process, but sometimes when you insert the rod bearing in here, they'll fall off. So you just put a little bit of assembly lube on the actual crank itself as well. Go. Go ahead and turn this back over. There we go. Alright, so go ahead and put some more oil inside the ring compressor so it slides right out. Now, take your piston, make sure your rings are oriented right. There you go. Divots and point toward the front. That dimple on the rod is pointing passenger side engine. Go ahead and insert your piston into the ring compressor. You want to tighten this down as much as you can. Compress those rings. Actually, pull this out just a little bit. There you go. Again, tighten it as much as you can. Slowly insert your piston into the cylinder. See if we can tighten this a little bit more. Yeah, we could rid of. And then you're going to hold down the ring compressor and give it a good whack straight down.